And we begin with a news break coming in from Jammu and Kashmir's Katwa, where there's been an encounter in which a Jaish terrorist has been neutralized. The terrorist, identified as Usman, has been killed by forces after a brief exchange of fire. A joint operation was in fact conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir Police, the Army and the CRPF. At this point, forces have maintained that the operation is still underway. There's a possibility that more terrorists are hiding out there. I'll bring in Sunilji Bhatt for more details on this. Sunilji, what's the latest you can tell us about this operation? A Jaish terrorist has been neutralized. Sunilji.
It's a major success for the security forces just ahead of the Republic Day. As we know that many counter-terror operations are on in the hilly areas of Jammu division, whether it's Katwa, whether it's Doda or Rajouri Poonch sector. And Jammu and Kashmir Police, along with the Army and CRPF, have achieved a major success. A dreaded Pakistani terrorist, Mohammad Usman, has been neutralized by the security forces in the forest area of Bilawar in Katwa district of Jammu and Kashmir. The security forces had a specific input about the presence of this terrorist in this particular area, and acting on that specific input, a massive counter-terror operation was launched in this particular area, and it was a credible input that the security forces had, and they have achieved a major success. Mohammad Usman was a dreaded Pakistani terrorist who was active in this region for last several months, and finally the security forces have been successful in eliminating him. And counter-terror operations are still on, search operation is still on, because there are two more dreaded terrorists who continue to be at large in this particular area. That is why reinforcements are being sent, and this search operation has been extended in other areas of Jammu division also.
So two more terrorists are hiding out there, Sunilji confirms for us. We're going to track the latest on that operation. Thanks, Sunilji, for the moment.